kaholo. Stay right there. Huli means to turn. So we're going to turn and we're going to reach out. It's going to go a huli across your chest. A huli Makou. A huli Makou. So you're going to reach out, turn to the right. A huli, stay right there. Ami. A huli Makou, the other wall. A huli, and boys, a Huli Makou. Point with your eyes and your hands. Stop. How do you say that? After you turn, you're going to go with your eyes, right hand on top, and your hand. Just like you're putting gloves on. And your hand. And your, pull it up. And your hands. That much again. 2 kaholos. With your eyes and your hands. This is an OU. Figure 8, you're going to come down your body. And your body. You're going to, this is the right side. You're putting your left hand in front of your leg. Right goes on your hip. Ami kuku. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step brush together uehe on the right foot. Wait, so you guys stay there. I moved so that one girl could see me. Okay, here we go. Step brush together uehe. And your arms are going to go step brush together uehe. From here. And your body. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is roll your love. Step, brush together, uehe. Right hand's going to come to you. It's going to open and extend from and your body. And your body. 1, 2, 3. Step on the right. Right, brush together, uehe. Feet. Step, brush together, uehe. Again. Right, brush together one more time. Right, brush together, uehe. And your body. Ready? Hey, Howley boy, don't kill that bug. Here you go. And your body. And your body. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, brush together, uehe. Put this right hand underneath your chest here. Kaholo back to the right, then to the left. And beckon. Back on the right and back on the left. Okay, from the top. Pull up. 1, 2, 3. Hey, Huli, here we go. Reach, reach. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reach, reach. Push with your other foot, Trish. With your eyes and your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, brush together, way back on the right. 1 kaholo.
Emily.
Okay, wait, all right, let's go to the left real quick. So we went 1 kaholo. Now we're going to turn on the left shoulder to the wall. A huli, right there. A Huli Makou, other wall. A huli, go left. With your eyes and your figure 8 and your body. Left ami 2, 3, 4. Left, brush together, way back on the right, back on the left, and 1 kaholo. Okay, ready? A huli to the left. So we've got 1 kaholo and a huli right there. A huli Makou. Turn. A huli and a huli point to the left. With your eyes and your hands and your body. 1, 2, step on the left. Left, brush together, way back on the left and back on the right, and 1 kaholo. Do your left step brush. Pull up. Hey, Huli. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. With your eyes and your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, brush together, way back on the right, back, reverse it to the left. Reach out with your right arm. Hey, Huli, stay there. Go to the other wall. You're going to go left with your eyes your hands, figure 8. Right hand's in front, step on your left foot. Left, brush together, way back on your left, back on your right, and one kaholo. Okay? Follow. A huli, turn. Reach and turn, and ami 2, 3, 4. Reach and turn, and ami point to the right. With your eyes and your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, brush together, way back on your right, back on your left, and one kaholo left, and a huli, and 1, 2, turn left, a huli, go to the left. With your eyes and your hands, 1, 2, 1, 2, step on the left, brush, kaholo back, step together, step, hold, step together, step, hold, one kaholo. They did it good.
Wonderful.